In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete apps on iPad. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPad you have. I'll be showing you two methods for this though. So what we want to do is we're going to be on our iPad screen right here, and you're going to see a lot of different things, right? You're going to see anything that you previously downloaded. So what I can do is long press on an application, like I just long pressed on that one. Then I'm going to see remove app. It's going to say remove Call of Duty. And then what I can do is press just delete app right there. And then it's going to delete the application for me. So if I press delete app, it's going to say delete Call of Duty. That's it. It's gone now, deleted. What I could also do is go to storage, then go to general, then go to iPad storage. It's going to show me all my apps. Let's say I want to delete photos or Minecraft. And all you want to do is click on it and then press delete app as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.